Hello tubers, Mezcal here. It's my birthday and this is what I got. It's the Leatherman Free P4 and I slide this out of its box. There was a little plastic sticker over there, seal. I'll slide this out. What do we got here? Made in USA. I've already been in. I just thought I'd give you a look as well. These things have just come out for the Father's Day retail market, and lucky me, my birthday's before Father's Day. So, proudly saying made in USA, but this little sticker here says made in China that came off the sheath. How do you feel about the sheath being made in China? Obviously made to stringent quality control. But it's not paying the wage of an American to put that together. Now, check this out. So, the action goes like this. You press there, and that pops these bits up so you can get to them. And they lock in place. You got that locks in. So to get it back, you slide that up like that. This blade is extremely sharp. I would say it's bordering on razor sharp, almost, which is good for a new tool. Something that's impressed me is this magnetic. They say it's a magnetic thing. Look at the way this clicks in. It's a real positive snap that something's changed. You can see that locks in, comes rolling over there and locks in. There's another blade on here I really like the look of. Look at that. It's a mean looking blade. They're very chunky in the cross section of the blades themselves. Alright, so all tools, we got that one. We've already seen that other blade. We got an awl, a file, can opener, obviously pliers, and up this side we've got the screwdrivers and scissors. They've done the scissors well, like they always do. They keep the spring integral to the body. It goes up in a tang. Other than what am I trying to say? The Swiss Army ones have the spring loaded onto there, and eventually they break. So this is a better way to do scissors. So there you go. Leatherman Free P4. Thanks for watching. I like it.